everyone, welcome to Persian Cuisine, and this is Chef May. A lot of people are asking how to cut and eat a pomegranate, and I'm going to actually show you how it is done. This is a Persian pomegranate. It's pretty big, and the reason I chose it is because it's very fresh and it's in the season. So the first thing that you're going to do, you start with the top part, the top that looks like the apple, and cut around it. And you just put that away and turn it to the other side and cut the other side as well. Put that aside. Now you see in the center there is a fiber part that you're not going to eat it. So you just insert the knife and turn it round and take this part out. So here you see there's a lot of fiber that's hard and we don't eat it. Same with the other side. Insert the knife and turn it in a circular motion, and once you turn it in a circular motion, you take the fiber part out. And the next thing that you're going to do, imagine you're cutting a pie. You just cut it this way, this way, and you just put the extra stuff aside. So there are a couple ways to eat it. You can actually serve it in a plate or a platter like this. Or the other way to eat it, if you don't want to serve it like this, then you just basically take each part. You have to wash your hands very carefully. Preferably, it's a good idea to wear an apron or a dark cloth because if it splashes, the color is kind of hard to get off your clothing. And then you just turn the skin like this, and you see easily separate the pomegranate and put it in a bowl. And it's very easy, it's very delicious, it's very rewarding. And definitely when you're actually doing this, you know it's clean because obviously you wash your hands, you take care of the hygiene. They are selling them in the stores, but the problem is after they do this, they wash it with hot water and it's separated with the steam, so it doesn't quite taste the same. I bought this I bought some from the stores, and they taste like water because they're completely washed out. So you see, you just use your finger and separate it. Every single drop of pomegranate looks like a ruby. It's a beautiful fruit and it's very healthy. It's great for detoxification, cleansing your blood circulation, and it's absolutely delicious. This pomegranate is so beautiful, is so juicy, And I remember when I was a child, my mom was saying, do not even waste any of them. This little thing is called an arrow. Do not lose any arrow because this is a heavenly fruit, and it's absolutely delicious. Here we go. This is our beautiful pomegranate, and this is normally what we have for Yalda night, which is Shab Yalda in Farsi. We have some dried fruit, pomegranate, watermelon, and we read some poetries from Hafiz, and it's a beautiful night. In English, they call it solstice night, which is the longest night of the year, and family gets together, they enjoy the sweets and the fruits, and they wish each other a wonderful, wonderful year ahead. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. With lots of love for you, and Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, all the best to you and all your family.